Hi friends, we are now trekking right next to Bheemeshwari jungle lodges. This is deep inside the jungle. You can see this. There's a natural stream. It had rained heavily yesterday night, so the stream is filled with water. Beautiful jungle, tranquil. See the tree with the root stretched out over there. We are climbing up the hill right next to Bheemeshwari. There's an amazing view. You can see it for yourself. And just imagine, we just started the trek. Another breathtaking viewpoint. The path begins through the road and then becomes pretty steep. You can see the steep, narrow climb in between the lemongrass. The guide is leading the way. Guys, the view just keeps getting better and better. See the forest, the mist, the beautiful river Kaveri, and the hills around it. Amazing, just amazing. We have almost reached the top. See the fantastic view. It's a majestic view of the forest and the river Kaveri with the mist and the hills surrounding it. Ain't that beautiful? Beautiful view from the top checkpoint or viewpoint. There's a watchtower up here and we just climbed up the watchtower. You can see the hills and the forest and the mist. This is the beautiful river Kaveri flowing from Coorg towards the Bay of Bengal. We are on the watchtower. See it flowing down south. Amazing. We are headed on our way back. We had a short walk through the path used by the 4x4 Jeep. Now back into the lemongrass cladded trekking path way back. Vertical, this vertical. We have climbed down to the foothills again. It was a medium difficulty climb, or I would say easy to medium, easy climb. Okay, so but it was a spectacular view and it was absolutely tranquil, as this is a reserved forest. So you should give it a try. It's still within the forest. There are some deer here and there, some wild boar. I have not seen any other major wild animals, but I hear that there might be elephants sometime in the night. Haven't heard those though. Jungle Lodges Bheemeshwari is worth every penny. If you're in Bangalore or nearby, give this a try. Enjoy a tranquil stay away from the busy life of Bangalore. Signing off. Thanks guys. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. We are back near the beautiful tranquil stream. See the water flowing Swing. Friends, we are right outside the Bheemeshwari temple. Actually, the legend is that Lord Bheem, who was one of the Panchapandavas, when they were in exile in the forest, he's supposed to have consecrated a shivling right in the middle of the forest, and that is the shivling which is inside his temple, and hence the name Bheemeshwari.